Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fluffy pancakes. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos every week. Also, if you have a video recommendation for me, feel free to write it in the comment section below. I am now mixing my dry ingredients and I'll be setting that aside. In this video, I did not use nutmeg. You can use nutmeg if you like. I am now preparing my wet ingredients. I melted 70 grams of butter in the microwave. I'm now adding the milk to it. I'll be adding an egg and vanilla flavor to it. I'll be mixing all of these ingredients together with a fork until it's properly incorporated. I am now adding my mixture into my dry ingredients and I'll be mixing all of this together until it is very smooth and lump-free. In a clean and dry frying pan, I'm adding a little bit of butter. You can also use cooking oil if you want, and I'll be spreading all of that in the frying pan. I am now adding in my mixture, and you want to make sure that you are doing this on a low or medium heat. I left that for a few minutes, and as you can see, it's getting dry on this side. So I'm going to turn it over to the other side and I'll keep turning it until I get the color that I want. I will be repeating the same procedure for my remaining batter. And I'll flip over again. My super yummy and fluffy pancakes are now ready. You can add some condensed milk like I'm doing in this video if you wish. You can serve with some poached eggs. You can serve with tea, cappuccino if you want. Let me know when you try this recipe. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Bye.